I'll go ahead and put this cap on this one pipe here. And like I said, I could cut it. In fact, let's just cut it off. I'm not sure, like I say, why they did that. And under normal circumstances, this water would be pouring out of here. Okay? But they put the bubbler, like I said, down where the main pipe is. Sometimes they do that. Not all the time, but sometimes. Why they did that on this one and they did the bubbler over here, I will never know. So I got my little end here. I'm just gonna twist it on there. Hold my mouth just right. And put it on there. Okay. That's all there is to it. And now I can, let's just make this one disappear, shall we? Let's just make it disappear into this decomposed granite was what this is. Bye-bye. Never to be seen again. This one I'm going to let stick up a little bit like that. Okay. And that's all I'm going to do with that one. That one's dripping fine. And this one here, I'm just going to rearrange. And I keep the little pieces of pipe. I don't know when I'm going to need a little piece. In fact, that piece that I just buried, I should have cut a little bit longer off, and then I'd have a longer piece to work with later on, huh? But I didn't. So that's okay. Now let's see what I'm going to do here. I'll just do something like that. No rhyme or reason on how to do things, just get her done. There. What's that? That'll be just peachy. I could do a little trimming on these things too, the old ones. Pull off all the old stuff and clean that up a little bit. Just let that drip. What that from? Okay, I'll clean that up. And voila. There you go. You know what? Since I'm right here, see, I've got a landscape light right here, and part of it is concealed with this decomposed granite. Dig that out a little. So, contour it around. That stuff out of there, especially if you have leaves, let's say, you want to kind of clean stuff out of there periodically. There. I like that a lot better. You probably want to see this too, huh? Well, I found a pipe here, and I'm thinking it goes to this bush. I'm not quite sure which direction it goes. Just gonna be careful. I want that up out of the decomposed granite. I don't know if I'm going the right direction or not. It seems to be going deeper down here. I don't want to start pulling on it. going. That is still going down. Before I dig out any further there, might as well continue this over this direction. And sometimes you have to dig and see where things go. I would think that goes there, but I'm not sure. Look where it's going. That's hardly under the ground at all. And you know what I think? What I think that does is, I think that pipe goes over to there. That's what I think that one's for, and I don't think that goes to this bush at all. So I'm just gonna clean around here. Let's see if I can't find that. The pipe for this plant. It looks fairly wet down here, and there's some that cloth stuff that they use to prevent weeds and stuff. Boy, there should be a pipe here somewhere, but I'm not sure where it is. And sometimes you got to kind of look up in the bush. Maybe it comes up down the middle and it sticks up in the bush somewhere, but I'm not seeing it. Okay, so let's just follow it around, shall we? I'm wondering if there's anything to this bush. There should be. I mean, it's wet down here, and the bush is green, you know, but where is it? Good Lord. I'm gonna have to tee off this other line. I could do that because I'm not finding it. Lord. See, this is that cloth material, and it might be hiding underneath that or something. I'm not seeing it anywhere. And like I say, I like to have those pipes sticking out. I don't know what that is. Wire. I don't know what that. You know what this is? It looks like a wire, and I'm not sure if that wire. I didn't cut it. It might be disconnected from that light. And I'll have to look at that tonight to see if this light over here, you know, this light here that I cleaned off, maybe that light's not working, and it could be because this wire right here goes to that light. I don't know. All the fun things you get to to find when you start looking for pipes and stuff. And I'm gonna keep looking at this, and I'll figure out what to do. If I can't find the line, see, I could cut this and put a T in there, and I happen to have some, and then come out with another little pipe that kind of goes over this way, that then will bubble for that. Okay, and that should be fine, because this line is not really that long, and it's got to connect somewhere into a main line somewhere, because see, it's right there, right down in there. And I'll wager that goes over to that, and I'm sure it does. They don't have it very deep there, do they? Let's just see what happens here. Not very deep at all, is it? But it doesn't really have to be that deep. It's gotta go. Yeah, see, it goes there. Okay, so if I want that deeper, I could dig it down just a little bit, but I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Okay, so I'll keep digging around this bush and see what I come up with.